Say hi everyone. So hi everyone, welcome to Zach King Jr.'s YouTube channel. So we will try this HBW slime solution. Show them. What's that? Now we will make slime. Do your magic. Hello. So it has the blue. What's this? Slime activator. And do you know what's this? Glitter. What color is this?
Blue.
Now, first we will put the glue into the bowl. Wait. Put it there. Squeeze it. Pakita mo. Then we will put some. No, this first. We will put the. No, you mix it. Mix it. We will just try it out. Wow! Sak is making slime. We will put glitters. Mommy will just put it. Baka mapatama. Now, mix it. No. Use your hands. You use your hands. That's glittery slime. Wow, look. Now, here is the finished product. Show them your slime, Zach.